Today you're going to learn how to create this smooth zoom transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using one of the many plugins from the AE Juice website. Anyway, let's get right into it.
Cineguac.
As you can see, I have these two stock footage clips already on my timeline. One of downtown LA and another of this frozen branch. Right now there's just a hard cut between them, but we want to add a smooth zoom transition effect. Right now, the AE Juice website is running some crazy deals for Black Friday, one of which is this Seamless Transitions pack for just $39. You'll get another 5% off if you click on my affiliate link in the description box or pinned comment section below and use my code cineguac before December 8th. Once you've purchased the Seamless Transitions pack, you can head over to Windows, Extensions, and open up the AE Juice Pack Manager. Scroll down to find your Seamless Transitions pack. Inside, you'll find a ton of options, but in this video, I want to show you one of my favorites, this smooth zoom transition right here. So let's click and import that right onto our timeline. And let's close this out. And we can zoom in a bit here. So now let's just click and drag this smooth zoom transition directly on top of our cut so that the center aligns with the cut perfectly. And that is literally it. If we zoom out and then play that all back, you'll see we now have this beautiful smooth zoom transition, finished in about 30 seconds. It even comes with a sound effect. And of course, make sure you click on my link in the description box or pinned comment section of this video and use code cineguac to get an additional 5% off.